Today we will be testing the Twiggs Money Flow Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Twiggs Money Flow Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 664 indicators, with 270 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Twiggs Money Flow Indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically we have a zero line indicator, and we have this zone here that you can see. This area, I think, is what they technically call it when it fills in like this, and it is basically oscillating above and below the zero line. And so the setup on this is pretty easy. When we get that cross to the downside of the zero line, then we are going to go short. When we get the cross up to the upside of the zero line, then we are going to go long. And so, like I said, pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so we had a little bit of some rapid fire action going on there. So that first one that I marked out actually was not at the beginning of the year yet. It happened on the 29th of December, and so not quite within that year of 2018. And so I went ahead and deleted that one. Then we pick up a short right here as we get a spike to the downside for just one candle. Immediately it moves and spikes back to the upside, giving us this long right here, stopping us out on that short. Then it stops us out on that long as we flip back to the short side right here on this one. That one does move down nicely, getting us to our take profit though. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up this long right here on this big green candle right there. That one does pull up just far enough to get us to our take profit. Then we pick up a short right here almost immediately on the next candle. Well, actually immediately on the next candle, it flips to a long signal, which stops us out on that short, and then immediately back to a short, which stops us out on that long, and then a couple candles later back to the long side, which stops us out on that short. And that long is able to make a nice push to the upside, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we then pick up a short just barely right here on this one. Next candle flips to a long, stopping us out on the short. Next candle flips to a short, stopping us out on the long. Then the next candle flips to a long, stopping us out on the short. A couple candles later, we flip back to the short side. Nice push to that downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. All right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Hopefully this one improves a little bit here. Can't quite count it out yet, and so hopefully, like I said, it improves. Excuse my squeaky chair there, and it starts getting a little bit better here. Let's go ahead and start the fast forward. All right, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So we have 33 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so the problem with this indicator, and what we often see with zero line cross indicators, is that we get these moments where we get a spike to one side, immediately spike to the next, immediately back, and immediately back to the other side, and so on, creating these clusters of losing trades. I've seen it over and over and over many times before. It tends to be a problem that often occurs with these zero line type cross indicators, because they just don't have much of a buffer area in between the very quick shifts from one side or one direction or another, and doesn't allow it to really filter out any kind of chop or consolidation. And so, just out of curiosity, we'll test this one other way just to kind of see how it works in the next video. See if we can't improve upon it just a little bit. It did 33 trades, so even if we cut down on a few of these trades, hopefully we cut down on some of these losing trades and keep a lot of these winning trades, and that would kind of balance things out quite a bit. Still give us a decent number of trades within the 1 year's time. But for now, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.